What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
When I was younger, I was so interested in the inside of technology. Tried to fix it on my own, ended up ripping one of the cables, and now the battery is loose inside. Can you fix it for me?
Yeah? Wait, what's this rattling thing? It's
That would
rattling?
be the battery, yeah.
Oh, yeah? Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you.
Damn, look at this. It's broken right here. This is why it's rattling. See that? Nothing in here holding this. Your phone is ready, sir. Now
Wow.
it's good to go.
That looks just fresh out of the box. Lesson learned: do not fix my phone by myself. Leave it to the professionals.
You got it.